What's up, guys? It's Joel with Punisher's Paintball. Today we are doing the used gun of the week. We have this beautiful purple CS2 with the infamous Silencio tip on it. We're gonna do a shooting video for you guys. We got some HK Army paint and level 3. Hope you guys enjoy this video. If you guys do,
use the link in the description to buy the gun.
All right, guys, so here we are. We've got the CS2. We've got the level 3, as you can see here, with a Spire 4 loader. We've got a Ninja 90 with a Haymaker reg on it. We're gonna do a shooting video for you guys here real quick. 81, 73, 76, 72. Here we go.
Oh. Semi. Having fun there?
Oh yeah. As you guys can tell, not as good with my left hand.
Shooter dry?
All right, there it is. Maybe. There it is, guys. Shot really well. It's for sale on the used gear page. Thank you guys so much.
Link in the description. Buy that bad boy from Punisher's Paintball.
There you go.